best smart home gadgets you didn't know existed. What if I told you that your home could be smarter than you ever imagined? And no, I'm not talking about the usual smart bulbs and voice assistants. I'm talking about next-level gadgets so futuristic, so mind-blowingly useful, that they'll change the way you live. From a robot that folds your laundry, to a security device that sees through walls, these are the best smart home gadgets you didn't even know existed. We're living in the future, whether we realize it or not. Smart home tech is evolving so fast that it's no longer about convenience alone. It's about transforming how we live, work, and even sleep. But most people only scratch the surface. Sure, you might have a smart speaker or a video doorbell, but what if your home could do so much more? And trust me, you'll want to stick around for number one because it's something straight out of a sci-fi movie. What if your house could cook for you, clean for you, and maybe even apologize when it forgets your birthday? 5. The AI Chef. Say hello to the AI Chef, your personal smart cooking assistant. If you've ever ruined a meal by getting distracted or using the wrong measurements, this gadget is a game changer. It scans ingredients, suggests recipes, and even ensures your steak is cooked to perfection. No more burned dinners, no more guesswork. Just restaurant-quality meals at home. And speaking of making life easier, what if I told you there's a gadget that automatically folds your laundry? 4. The Laundry Folding Robot. Meet the Laundroid. Yes, that's its actual name. This AI-powered machine scans, sorts, and folds your laundry for you. Imagine how much time you'd save if you never had to fold laundry again. That's 6 months of your life spent doing something else, like binge-watching your favorite show guilt-free. I mean, is this what luxury feels like? Because I could get used to this. But if you think that's impressive, wait until you see a smart device that can literally see through walls. 3. Wall-seeing security sensor. This is the Xandar Smart Sensor, a next-gen security gadget that uses radio waves to detect motion through walls. It's like X-ray vision for your home, alerting you if someone is lurking outside or even hiding inside. Whether it's for security, safety, or just checking if your pet is behind the couch, this is the future of home surveillance. But let's take things up a notch. What if your mirror could talk to you, track your fitness, and even tell you the weather? 2. The Smart Fitness Mirror. This is the Smart Fitness Mirror, your personal trainer, health tracker, and motivational coach, all in one. It tracks your movements, provides real-time workout feedback, and even integrates with your favorite fitness apps. Basically, it's like having a personal trainer, except this one won't yell at you for skipping leg day. But what if your walls could actually talk to you? 1. The AI Smart Wall. Welcome to the future. This is the AI Smart Wall, a fully interactive digital display that turns your entire room into a control center. Want to change the lighting? Done. Check the news? No problem. Even get live health updates and productivity reminders? All with a simple voice command. This is where smart homes are headed. Tech that doesn't just respond to you, but works with you to make life easier, safer, and more efficient.